Alright, so I gotta fix some rust that I found on this front bumper. This whole bracket back here is just shot. And in fact, every single bolt is like gone. That used to be a bolt. And over here, see, like this bracket's completely gone. One of these broke off. So I gotta use some trusty Breakthrough from Windsor. My buddy is he owns his own franchise and he sells me everything very cheap. Well, you know, he's the best price around, I'll say that. And really helps out. This thing is real rough. Not looking great. But I mean, the front bumper itself, it's in primer, but I mean, it's solid. This right here I'm gonna have to fix. This obviously got in a wreck before. Alright, so I just cleaned up the front bumper a little bit. Got just a lot of the rust off. I'm gonna tack the actual bumper bracket back on a lot better and make it nice and sturdy. There's a couple places it's not even attached. And then I cleaned up this whole little area right here where the old, where they cut out this piece. And I cleaned up the front part too where they cut that out. Alright, so I tacked up the bumper supports and everything like that. I had to actually like bridge a little bit of it where there was a broken piece. So I'll show you what that looks like, and definitely way more solid. I'm happy with it. I feel like this car is gonna wheelie like immediately, probably like one of my first times taking it out, and I didn't want the front bumper to just break off. So that was my main concern with this, getting it all fixed back up. So I'll take a little video now of this front bumper and how it looks, and I'm gonna clean it up more and probably go ahead and paint it just black. I'll probably paint it so it's you know, sealed and everything. And I'll show y'all what it looks like real quick, and then I'll spray it up probably. I just tacked it down. Like there was already, you know, spot welds from the factory, but it was just coming up. Like this side wasn't touching at all, so I just pushed it down and tacked it. I don't want to put a bunch of welds on it. That it's already tacked like underneath that whole thing. And then on this side is where I had to fill the gap. See, like this was broke right here all the way across, so I had to like pull it up and, you know, push it across. I haven't cleaned any of this up yet. It's still all rusty and everything. Right here I tacked that all up, even though there's factory tacks, but obviously it's not touching it anymore. It's where this is correct. And of course it's like sprinkling now. But here it is. I'll grab this. Looks a lot better than what it did. All the tack welds look pretty decent. And then this side, this is where that hole was. So, yeah, definitely looks a lot better than what it was. It seems like I keep getting further and further away with this thing. I keep taking more stuff off of it. I just want it to be done right, and like having like that hot rod full restoration background, like I know what it takes to actually make a show vehicle. Just because it's looking worse every day because I keep taking stuff off of it doesn't mean it's going to be worse in the long run. It's going to be, every nut and bolt is going to be changed in this thing by the time I'm done. If y'all like the video, comment, like, subscribe, tell your friends. The Nitemare's coming. A little bit closer every single day. I'm pumped. Waiting on parts. I hate it. I can't stand waiting on parts. Still on back order. 2 weeks later. Sucks. Alright, well, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Hopefully I'll have my halo and down bars by then, and I'll start tacking all that in, and I'll be ready to get the cage really going. Thank y'all for watching. Nitemare out.